TYPHON Machinery. Power you can trust.
Still moving heavy materials by hand? There's a smarter way to get the job done. Introducing the TYPHON STOMP X 1300 with Pallet Fork Attachment. Compact, powerful, and built for serious lifting performance. Designed specifically for the TYPHON STOMP X 1300, this attachment transforms your mini skid steer into a versatile material handling machine. Perfect for farms, construction sites, warehouses, and property maintenance. With fork length 3 feet and a heavy-duty fork weight, 201 pound, it's built to move pallets, building materials, equipment, and more with confidence. Compact enough to maneuver in tight spaces, yet tough enough for demanding daily work. Easy operation, reliable lifting, maximum productivity. TYPHON STOMP X 1300 with Pallet Fork Attachment. One machine, multiple solutions.
Visit our website, typhonmachinery.com. Contact us for more information.